that might be the blower fan.
Yeah, it may be the fan blade itself. It's not. It's kind of hard to tell, to be honest. But it may be, because if you wiggle it around.
Yeah, you're not touching it very much to do that, is it?
No, it is firing. It's not a good frame for it. So I'll put